thought I'd do a bit of a talk on my root store that I've dug out. In fact, I'll start at the very beginning. The back of my house, over the years, this sandbank had sort of washed down against the eaves of the house. The lowest part, that bit, is probably 1.2 metres. This section here is probably, I don't know, 2.2 metres, something like that. So 700 tonnes of sand were dug out and taken up the field to fill in a quarry, and in doing so, there's a nice old root store, root cellar some people call them, cold store, I don't know what, different people call them different things. Little sort of arched stone, buried, chambered really, which is quite nice. It's 18 foot long, 6 foot wide and about 8 foot high, so I'm going to rebuild it. And it had fallen in long before. I've been in this place, 8 years or something, 8.5 years. Half of the roof, you can see the I don't know, top bit there. You can kind of get an idea of the form of it, but it's quite nice, so I'm going to put it back to how it should be. So I got the mini digger out. This was a job a couple of days ago, and levelled all the stone, the rubble out, dragged everything back. So I'm going to put my tripod down. So I'm going to have a footing, well, I say a footing, it's almost going to be, it's not going to be dry stone, but it's not going to be far off it. So my thinking is to have a wall all the way to here, 90-degree front with a little stone opening in it, maybe an arch, maybe a lintel, I'm not too sure yet. And then underneath these doors, this is a later project again, I'm going to have some outside stone steps to reinstate some that had to come out to get the diggers around the back to dig the back out. So there's lots of stone. I don't know if I mentioned I like stone, probably tell. If I find a stone, it gets put in a stone pile and it gets reused for something else. Dry stone wall, anything really, I love it. So that's going to be probably a job over the next few weeks really, finish this drainage and well, see what happens next.